love our doorbell.
Oh. Hey, Ping said to be ready at 6 and to be fancy. I thought maybe you planned something. Is it your birthday?
I thought maybe it was your birthday. Roar told me the same. 6 p.m. and to dress fancy.
You decided not to, though?
What? To look fancy? Yes, I did.
Hello, hello.
Was that Ping?
I thought they were playing at your house today.
Oh, wow. It's amazing that they did all this. You know, without you noticing.
Sorry, I guess I was kind of in the zone there for a bit.
Welcome to the restaurant. Monsieur and Madame, please take your seats.
Miss Fancy Waiter, we were wondering, why do they get to sit there?
They arrived first.
Guess these seats are ours.
On your table, there are menus. We will take your order in 1 minute. Don't worry, we won't use the stove.
Okay, I hope they order something good, but not too hard. But good, and nothing that requires this thing. It's really weird.
They are going to be so impressed. Have you made your choices?
Is that a turkey dinner?
Yes, don't order that.
Okie-doo. In that case, I'll have microwave popcorn.
Same here.
Popcorn, please, chef.
A pro's always got the right safety gear. That's a thing my dad says.
I want this restaurant to be super fancy. My mom loves restaurants.
My dad loves eating.
Darn discount store tape.
Order something else.
Okay, how about this?
Works for me. Yum, yum. Très delicious. Cheesy crackers. Nom, nom. Such a delicacy.
Chef Roar, cheese and crackers. Let's use 1 plate, not 2. Sharing is fancier.
It's almost perfect, but we need a garnish. Garnish is something you put on top to make it beautiful. Barbecue sauce. Uh-oh.
Oh no! No cheese and crackers.
Okay, not to worry, lots of good choices here. How about a peanut butter sandwich? Make mine with jelly.
I'll try that too. What's peanut butter?
Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, whatever those are.
What kind of jelly? I have strawberry, raspberry, apricot.
Let's use it all.
One day, we should all go to a real fancy restaurant. Together.
At unicorn restaurants, we have radish milkshakes and marshmallow chairs.
Whoa! These look yummy.
I like dino food.
Jelly's better with peanut butter. Give it a try.
Cool.
Oh, no.
Think they're okay in there? It's been a while.
We ate all the bread.
We wanted you to have a fancy dinner, but we messed everything up.
That's okay. We loved playing restaurant. Today is special to be fancy sometimes.
I know what we should do.
How'd you get that so fast?
It's from our fave pizza spot, the Celestial Slice. We're regulars there.
Now, this is fancy. Hey, are those, beets? I never met a pizza I didn't like.
To two caring, creative kiddos.
Yahoo!
That's us.
Could use some barbecue sauce.
Sorry, we're all out. Better if you don't ask any more questions about it.
Fancy, fancy.
Hey, I'm curious, you ever wear hats with that thing? I mean, how do you find them to fit, you know? With the horn. Well, sorry. I didn't realize we were rolling. Sorry, guys. Kind of zoned out there.